Want to learn English without boring grammar books? Imagine improving your English just by watching movies. Yes, movies that are fun, addictive, and actually teach you real English. In this video, I'm going to share the best movies that can boost your English in just a few days. No stress, just popcorn and progress. Ready to turn movie time into learning time. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with some beginner-friendly movies. These are perfect for those of you who are just starting out or want to practice understanding clear and simple English. Hello everyone, I'm Asma. Welcome back to my channel. First up is Forrest Gump. This movie is slow-paced with clear and simple dialogues. You will hear American accent in some very basic vocabulary, plus the story is so heartwarming and inspiring. Second one is The Pursuit of Happiness. Another motivational movie with clear pronunciation. It's a great choice to practice both listening and understanding everyday expressions. Third one is Finding Nemo. Animated movies are a fantastic way to start. Finding Nemo has simple language and the animation keeps it fun and easy to follow. And number 4 is Toy Story. This series is full of easy to understand dialogues, humor, and it's great for practicing American English in casual conversations. Number 5 is The Intern, a feel-good movie about starting a new chapter in life. The language is easy and useful, and especially if you're interested in workplace English. Now, let's move on to the intermediate learners. These movies have a bit of more vocabulary and faster dialogues, but they're still clear and enjoyable to watch. So, number 6 is The Devil Wears Prada. Fashion, business, and New York. This movie is full of practical English and a little bit of workplace jargon. And number 7 is Julie and Julia, a great movie for learning good related vocabulary and some conversational phrases. Plus, the language is very clear and easy to follow. And let's move on to number 8, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty. This movie is visually stunning and has simple, inspirational dialogues. It's perfect for intermediate learners who want to practice descriptive language. Now let's move on to 9, Legally Blonde. Full of fun and with humor, the language is modern and conversational, which makes it easy for you to learn everyday phrases. Number 10, The Blind Side. A motivational story about football, family, and kindness. The speech is clear and the themes are easy to follow. Next up, we have Advanced Learners. These movies will challenge you with more complex language, faster speech, and emotional depth. But don't worry, they're worth the effort. Number 11, Good Will Hunting. This movie is famous for its deep conversation and emotional storytelling. It's perfect for practicing advanced vocabulary and understanding complex emotional dialogues. Next up, number 12, Inception. If you're up for a mental challenge, Inception will stretch your language skills. It has advanced vocabulary, philosophical themes, and mind-blending dialogues. Number 13, The Social Network. Learn modern vocabulary and idioms used in tech and business. It's fast-paced, so you'll need to pay attention. But it's a great way to practice your listening skills. Number 14, The Imitation Game. Based on the true story of Alan Turing. This movie has intellectual dialogues and British American accents. It's perfect for improving your understanding of complex concepts. Number 15, Dead Poets Society. A beautiful movie for learning emotional vocabulary, intellectual expressions, and some poetic language. Now, here are some amazing movies that works for all levels. These are some great choices whether you're just starting to learn English or already have a good grasp of the language. Next up is 16. Forrest Gump. A classic that works for everyone. It has simple dialogues, but the story is deep and engaging. Next up, we have number 17, The Help. A powerful, emotional movie with clear speech. It's great for learning both casual and formal expressions. Then we have 18, Little Miss Sunshine. A quirky comedy drama with clear conversational language. It's perfect for practicing everyday vocabulary and family-related conversations. Number 19, Cast Away. With very few characters and mostly solo scenes, you'll get a chance to really focus on speech patterns, pronunciations, and vocabulary. Number 20, The King's Speech. Though it's all about a British king, it's an excellent way to work on pronunciation and speech improvements, even if you're focusing on American English. So there you have it, 20 amazing movies to help you improve your English at any level. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you watch, the more you'll improve. Don't forget to turn on those English subtitles to help you with understanding and try mimicking to those characters to practice your pronunciations. Feel free to adjust the pacing and tone based on your personality or audience. For example, if you prefer a more casual tone, keep it friendly and relaxed. Add extra info like watching with subtitles or try repeating lines to enhance the learning experience. You can also include a few clips from the movies as long as it falls under fair use, especially if you're commenting on them. Would you like me to help you with more details or editing tips for the video? So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tips, lessons. Leave a comment below with your favorite movies from the list or that you did like to recommend for learning English. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.